This episode is all about the numbers game, accounting in your business.
Welcome to Business Innovators Radio, featuring industry influencers and trendsetters sharing proven strategies to help you build a better life right now.
Welcome to the program. I'm Mark Imperial. This is a special series all about growing your business with maximum profits with my esteemed guest expert, Sergio Decesare. Sergio is a man of many distinctions. First of all, he's a best-selling author featured in the book Elite Business Leaders, which hit #1 on Amazon in multiple categories. He's also a certified profit and growth expert, a certified value builder, profit acceleration expert, a certified business coach, and certified magnetic mind coach. He's also a business broker in Florida. Sergio, welcome to the program.
Awesome to be here again, Mark. Thank you so much.
So what is the big challenge for business owners regarding their accounting?
Well, business owners are good at whatever their skill set is. And I can tell you, accounting is not one of them. So many times the books are dirty. They don't jive. They don't know what they're looking at. They look at a P&L statement, a profit and loss statement, and they're like, okay, all I know is that I go to the bottom of this thing and there's a negative number. They get their tax return. Accountant tells them that they made, 40, 50, 80 grand this year. And they look at their bank account and they go, well, where is that 80 grand? Because it's not in the bank account. So if business is a mind game, and we know it is, then financial understanding is the board in which we play on.
So, Sergio, how do you help folks with this? Like, how do business owners read and interpret their numbers? Do you have a system for that?
I have an awesome system. Actually, I've got a whole back-end online academy with a few videos to start getting my clients used to what the numbers should be looking like and what they need to look for. Of course, we'll have discussions on those topics when we see their numbers, but I also have a very exquisite piece of software called a profit acceleration system, which is 497 million weighted algorithms that when we put their numbers in and we start touching things like marketing, joint ventures, all kinds of things, we can make some incremental changes. If we can lower their expenses by 5% and increase their revenue by 5.5%, in a year's time, we can practically double their profit. And that's what the software does. Gives them a roadmap, tells them what they need to do. And I'm one of the few people in this country who actually have access to that software.
Sergio, I know that a lot of business owners kind of save that till the end, till they're trying to sell their business. Is there ever a bad time to start implementing that? What do you think?
No, I mean, look, when I talk about exit strategies with my clients, I'm hoping to get them at least 2 to 3 to 5 years out from their actual sale date, because businesses need to get cleaned up. And look, when I got into the brokering business, I went to an orientation for the board, and they said, look, we're basically selling jobs to people. People are selling their job to somebody else. And I said, I don't like that. That's not what I'm here for. So I believe that if you start 2, 3 years ahead of time, I've got a whole system for exiting under the value builder system with John Warlow. And if you can be in this system for a year or two before you have to sell, basically what we're building is a turnkey business, a business that doesn't have to have the owner there to make money. And that is more important than anything else. If you want a job and, at the end of that, you're just going to close the doors and call it a day. Okay. But if you actually want to have an asset that you can sell, you got to start planning ahead of time.
So Sergio, related to that, as it relates to the books and the accounting, when business owners get ready to sell their businesses, what do you find is like the #1 biggest mistake that they're making with their books before they think about selling?
Well, the biggest mistake probably I've ever seen is mixing personal funds with business funds. We don't know where one is a personal account. We don't know what's going on with the business account. They're intermingling funds, and that's a big no-no.
That sounds like a pretty common mistake as well.
Very
So
much so.
Sergio, for folks listening, business owners that know they need to get all of that in order, and even if they're thinking about selling their business a little bit down the road, and I see why you could use that lead time, how can these business owners find you, connect with you, and learn more?
Well, that's the easy part. You can call me directly if you like, or text me at 239-580-7408. You can go to my website, maxbusinessprofits.com, or you can email me, Sergio at maxbusinessprofits.com.
This has been terrific. Once again, I appreciate you sharing with my audience, and I wish you continued success for you and for all of your clients.
Thank you so much, Mark. It's a pleasure to be here.
That was Sergio Decesare. He's the founder of Max Business Profits and the creator of the Max Business Profits Business Alchemy System. I'm Mark Imperial. That's all for now, and thanks for joining us. See you on the next episode.